Your Grace, Archbishop Paul Shanginan, Apostolic Nuncio to Thailand. On the occasion of your official visit as the representative of the Holy Father, Pope Benedict XVI, to the Archdiocese of Bangkok today, on behalf of all Catholic faithful in this local church, including laity, religious, priests, with the presence of His Eminent Cardinal Michael Michaki Pinju, Emeritus Archbishop of Bangkok, Bishop Joseph Sangwan Surasara, Emeritus Bishop of Chiang Mai, and our special guest today, Archbishop John Ha of Kuching. I would like to welcome Archbishop Paul Shanginan wholeheartedly to this local church. Through you, we declare our loyalty and faithfulness to the Vicar of Christ, together with our fervent prayers and filial love. In communion with Him, we will go on the work of evangelization through our witnesses, proclamation of good news, and interreligious dialogue, in line with our 5 years pastoral plan, 2010 to 2015, that is going on implementing at all levels. I would like also to take the opportunity today to thank the Holy Father for the year of faith, for the renewal of our lives as Catholic faithful in Thai society through many activities, diocesan and parish level, responding to it to reinforce our faith, and also with many of the profound teachings the Holy Father Pope Benedict XVI continuously giving us. And for you personally, we would like to assure you of our collaboration in all what you have to do as papal delegate to the local church of Bangkok, and also what we can do for the needs in your diplomatic service to the kingdoms of Thailand. Thank you, Your Grace, for replying our invitation and being in our midst today on the occasion of the feast of Blessed Nicholas Bagru, priest and martyrs who has witnessed Christ's faith in his life as a martyr in this local church, the Archdiocese of Bangkok. And as a sign of our welcome, communion and collaboration, on behalf of all Catholic faithful of the Archdiocese of Bangkok, I would like to give to you, Your Grace, a gift. In a typical Thai handicraft, it represents a story of Indian mythology, Ramayana, adopted in Thai literature. A story of war. Nowadays, people does not like to hear about war. That's okay. It's right. No one wants it. In the world, the war should cease everywhere, all over the world. But this is not a war, real war. As we usually have heard the news every day. But it symbolizes our Christian ongoing walking against the current, a spiritual fighting within us, between good and bad, between the kingdoms of God and the power of evil, between gospel values and secularism, relativism, of the evil in the world today. So much so that unconceivable someone who can ever think of and ever do something so bad against our beloved Blessed Virgin Mary, the Mother of Jesus, the Mother of God, and our Mother of the Christian Catholic. All this we just have heard from the news. We Catholic, we believe and convinced that the kingdom of God will be on all forces, all power of evil, with our Christian civilization of love, forgiveness, and prayer. Your Grace, thank you again. All the best and a happy and longest stay in Bangkok,